Hey everyone! Welcome back to Style Forever After. It's Rebecca here, and today I'm super excited to share with you 10 quick and easy fashion hacks that will instantly upgrade your look. These tips are super simple and can be done with items you already have in your wardrobe. Ready to take your style to the next level? Let's get started. First up, the French tuck. This is such an easy way to add a polished look to any outfit. Simply tuck the front of your shirt into your pants or skirt and leave the back out. It instantly creates a more tailored look without much effort. Next, let's talk about cuffing your sleeves. Rolling up your sleeves adds a casual yet put-together vibe. Just fold the sleeve up once, then roll it again, leaving the cuff exposed for a relaxed but stylish look. Or you can try this hack by Lena Nuri as a suitable and stylish alternative. Adding a belt can completely change the silhouette of an outfit. Take an oversized top or dress and cinch it at the waist with a belt. This not only defines your waist but also adds a chic touch to your look. Layering necklaces is a great way to add dimension to a simple outfit. Start with a choker, add a mid-length necklace, and finish with a longer piece. This creates a visually interesting look that's perfect for any occasion. Hack 5. Tying a t-shirt. Tying a t-shirt is an easy hack to transform a basic tee. Just gather some fabric at the front or side and tie a knot. This instantly gives your t-shirt a trendy, crop look that's perfect for pairing with high-waisted jeans or skirts. Style hack number 6. Using a scarf as a belt is a fun way to add color and texture to your outfit. Thread a colorful scarf through the belt loops of your jeans or wrap it around your waist with a dress. It's a simple hack that makes a big difference. Rolling up the cuffs of your jeans can showcase your shoes and create a more casual look. Just fold the hem of your jeans up once or twice, and you're good to go. This hack works especially well with ankle boots and sneakers. Adding a pop of color with accessories is a great way to brighten up your outfit. Think bright colors, bold bags, vibrant shoes, or statement jewelry. This hack adds visual interest and can completely transform a neutral look. Tying a knot in the hem of a dress is an easy way to change its silhouette. Gather some fabric at the side or front and tie a knot to create a more fitted look. This hack is perfect for giving your dress a new twist. Finally, tucking in your shirt or doing a half tuck can add shape to your outfit. Just tuck the front part of your shirt into your pants or skirt, leaving the back loose. This creates a flattering and stylish look that's effortlessly chic. And there you have it, 10 quick and easy fashion hacks to instantly upgrade your look. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching Style Forever After. Stay hot and stay stylish, and we'll see you next time.